learning about a plant's life cycle. This lesson aligns with NGSS standards for life cycles and inherited traits for 3rd grade. Here's what you need. You're going to need a jar, you're going to need some potting soil, you're going to need some bean seeds, a plastic baggie, and some paper towels. This activity is going to take several weeks, so make sure you allot enough time to watch your plant grow. All right, let's get started. The first stage is planting the seed. This is the equivalent of the birth life stage. I'm using green bean seeds. This is what they look like. At this point, you're gonna sprout your seed in a damp paper towel inside of a plastic baggie stuck in a window. I'll show you a picture of what ours looks like. Then, wait a few weeks for it to sprout. Once your seeds have sprouted, they're gonna look something like this. Plant your sprout seed in your jar. Then keep it watered and in a sunny location for several weeks. This represents the growth stage. After a couple weeks, your jar is gonna sprout like this. If you water your plants and keep them in a sunny location, they're gonna keep growing and maturing, eventually producing a flower and then a green bean pod. When they produce the green bean pod, that is the reproduction stage of a plant's life cycle. After the plant reproduces, when the seeds ripen, then the plant dies. That's the full range of a plant's life cycle. Check out the lesson guide and worksheets in the Jarring Science Club. See you in there.